Hi, I'm Shelley, Sips behind the camera.
Hi.
And today we're going to transform this cupboard in front of me into a beautiful mid-century modern dressing table. We're going to use this mirror that we've brought from the flea market and these golden hairpin legs. The first thing we're going to do is take the cupboard apart. And then we're going to saw just of here, so that we're left with just this top bit. The last thing now that we've got to cut down to size is the backboard that's going on here. So we're going to mark it, cut it down to size. When we've done that, we're going to remove the wallpaper that's on the side, and then I'm going to sand off the blue colour. In front of me is the mirror that we're going to attach to the cupboard. We've got here a wardrobe rail that we've cut in half, so we're 60 centimetres long. We've drilled 2 holes in where we're going to attach it to the cupboard, and then we're going to glue it onto here using the silicone, about 13 centimetres in, one each side, and then we can affix it to the cupboard. Before we do that, we've got to take some spirits and give the back of the mirror a good clean. We're ready now to give the unit a stain. We tried a teak stain first of all, which we found too light. Then we've tried a mahogany stain. We also found that too light. So we've mixed. We've used 250 millilitres of the teak stain and 60 millilitres of the mahogany stain to get this result, which we both quite like now. It looks a bit more teak than this does, but not mahogany. We're going to use this stain and stain now the whole of the cupboard to get a bit more of that mid-century look. I love the way the stain turned out. I like it where the joinery is a little bit darker than the rest of the cupboard, and I also like that we left the pine wood just in its natural colour for the inside of the cupboard. We're now going to give the whole cupboard a good oil. We're going to use some teak oil because that's what we've got here at the moment, so we're going to put some teak oil on. We're then going to attach the back onto the cupboard. Once that's done, we're adding the legs on. 2 knobs are going on the drawers, and then at the end we're going to attach the mirror. So stay to the end to see the rest of the film. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'm going to say bye and we'll see you in a couple of weeks' time.